Hey there, adventurers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest and greatest travel gadgets to make your outdoor trips safer and more enjoyable. Today, we've got a thrilling lineup of 30 innovative outdoor and survival gadgets that you absolutely can't miss. From versatile flashlights to high-tech binoculars, we've got something for everyone. So grab your backpack and let's dive in. Imagine a flashlight that's as small as your keychain but can light up your entire path. The AUTOXBERT flashlight offers 7 lighting modes, including white, warm, and red lights. It even has emergency features like a belt cutter, whistle, and bottle opener. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just walking your dog, this multifunctional flashlight has you covered. Meet the Vosteed Hedgehog, a knife that blends fun with functionality. Inspired by a supersonic critter, its 2.99 S35VN blade is perfect for slicing and cutting. With multiple deployment options and a secure lock system, this mid-size knife is a must-have for any adventurer. The GEAR SK03 is your ultimate EDC flashlight. With a compact size and 10 lighting modes, it caters to various needs from bright outdoor beams to soft reading lights. Its 1000 lumens and 145 degrees floodlight angle make it indispensable for any nighttime activity. Discover the rugged elegance of a titanium Watchband Compass. Designed for durability and water resistance, this slim, lightweight compass is perfect for scuba diving and everyday navigation, ensuring you never lose your way. The SAS Recon Folding Survival Bow is the pinnacle of survival gear. Made from aerospace-grade materials, it's compact, durable, and quick to deploy. Ideal for archery enthusiasts and survivalists, it's a versatile tool for any outdoor adventure. Never worry about your phone dying again with the AMAKER crankcase. This innovative case has a built-in hand crank generator, providing power anytime, anywhere. Perfect for emergencies and daily use, it's a game changer for staying connected. Think of Warmai as the Swiss Army knife of fishing rods. This modular system is compact and versatile, allowing you to fish in any mode from casting to ice fishing. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last and easy to carry. Experience the world like never before with ENVISION smart binoculars. Featuring Nikon optics and AR technology, they provide a detailed overlay of maps and celestial information. Perfect for both day and night exploration, these binoculars turn any outing into an educational adventure. Transform your SUV into a comfortable camping haven with the Overnighter window tent. This bug screen keeps the insects out while allowing fresh air in, offering privacy and protection for a good night's sleep. The LC waterproof lighter is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. With its windproof flameless design and rechargeable battery, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and emergencies. Durable and portable, it's ready for any weather condition. This compact survival axe is both a tool and a weapon. With a razor-sharp blade and sturdy construction, it's ideal for chopping wood, rescue operations, and self-defense. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Enjoy stability and convenience with this foldable picnic table. Its adjustable height and aero-grade aluminum construction make it perfect for any outdoor meal, accommodating up to 145 pounds. Easy to set up and carry, it's a great addition to your camping gear. The Firebiner is a versatile tool combining a carabiner, fire starter, bottle opener, screwdriver, and utility blade. Lightweight and durable, it's an essential everyday carry item for any outdoor enthusiast. Star Wars fans rejoice. The Death Star fire pit is a functional replica of the iconic space station. Perfect for backyard gatherings, it's made from high-quality steel and designed to withstand the elements while adding a touch of galactic charm to your evenings. Relax in style with these hanging chaise loungers. Featuring a comfortable seat, removable canopy, and ergonomic cushions, they offer a unique lounging experience. Perfect for your garden, porch, or patio, They combine functionality with luxury. Illuminate your outdoor space with Govee's DIY wall lights. With customizable colors and smart home integration, they're perfect for accent lighting and holiday decorations. Rugged and waterproof, they're built to handle any weather. Stay cool anywhere with the Zero Breeze Mark II portable air conditioner. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for camping trips and outdoor events. With a powerful cooling system and long battery life, it ensures you stay comfortable no matter where you are. The Zendure SuperBase 500 is your portable power solution. With 600 watts and multiple charging ports, it can power up to 9 devices simultaneously. Ideal for camping trips, it keeps your gadgets running for up to 2 days. Bring your music to life with the Divoom Voombox Power. This rugged portable speaker delivers 360-degree sound and features a waterproof design, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. With a long battery life and easy Bluetooth pairing, it's your go-to for great music on the go. Purify water and cook your meals with the GRAYL UltraPress Tea. Made from titanium, this water bottle is durable and lightweight. Its integrated purifier removes pathogens and chemicals, making it an essential tool for any adventurer. Equip yourself with the ultimate outdoor watch. The CASIO G-Shock features solar charging, GPS, and a heart rate monitor. Its mud-resistant design and durable construction make it perfect for any extreme environment. Get a full-body workout with the Me Mover Step Machine. Inspired by skiing and running, it offers a zero-impact exercise experience. Foldable and portable, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor fitness. Light up your path with the AMAKER Headlamp. With 900,000 lumens and multiple lighting modes, it's perfect for any nighttime activity. Waterproof and durable, it's built to withstand the harshest conditions. Keep your hands warm with these AI-controlled hand warmers. Featuring intelligent temperature control and a long battery life, they're perfect for cold weather activities. Portable and easy to use, they make a great gift for any adventurer. The portable camping fan is a versatile device that serves as both a fan and a lantern. It features ultra-bright LED bulbs for illumination and has adjustable airflow settings. With a quiet brushless motor, it delivers strong airflow up to 10 feet per second. The collapsible design and hanging hook make it suitable for various settings, from tents to cars. Powered by 2D batteries, it runs for up to 5 hours on high speed, a valuable addition to any camping trip or emergency kit. The LifeStraw is a powerful microfiltration device designed for adventurers. It removes 99.999% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, and 99.999% of waterborne parasites, such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. Additionally, it filters out microplastics down to 1 micron and reduces turbidity to 0.2 microns. With proper use and maintenance, the LifeStraw provides up to 4,000 liters, 1,000 gallons of clean, safe drinking water. Plus, each purchase contributes to providing safe drinking water for a school child in need. Environmentally friendly and made from BPA-free materials, the LifeStraw is an essential companion for outdoor adventures. This power bank offers a substantial capacity, allowing you to charge your phone 6 to 8 times. Whether you're on a business trip or exploring the great outdoors, it's a reliable companion. The power bank is equipped with technology to prevent overcharging, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. Your devices stay protected while charging. With 3 output ports, QC 4.0 PD and 2.1A USB, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. It's versatile and convenient. The built-in LCD screen shows real-time information about the battery charge, input, and output status. No more guessing when it's time to recharge. Remember, having a reliable power bank ensures you stay connected wherever you go. The Fire Pit Bowl is a versatile tabletop fire pit that also functions as a s'mores maker. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, providing warmth and ambiance without smoke or odors. Made from durable concrete, this mini fire pit adds style to your patio or home decor. It's an excellent gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any special occasion. Upgrade your outdoor lighting with the String Lights plastic bulbs. These Zotoi LED outdoor string lights are weatherproof, with a high waterproof rating of IP65, meaning they can withstand rain, sun, wind, snow, and extreme temperatures. The shatterproof plastic bulbs are safe and durable, perfect for any outdoor setting. Finally, let's look at the solar lights outdoor. Equipped with 56 LED, these lights are perfect for illuminating your garden using solar power, which is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. These solar lights can stay lit for up to 20 hours depending on sunlight exposure, making them brighter and more durable than many others on the market. Designed to withstand all weather conditions, these lights are waterproof, frostproof, and weatherproof thanks to their high-strength ABS material. With a polycrystalline silicon solar panel, they offer a high-energy conversion rate of 20%, ensuring efficient charging even in less than ideal conditions. These lights automatically switch between charging and lighting modes, making them hassle-free and perfect for year-round use.